Look at this. Look at this. Look at this nanotechnology. Right smack in your face. Operating to create weather. To create cloud. Wow. Well, I haven't seen it that clear. But do you see the green? I can't get any closer. Or let me see if I can zoom in. Yes, I can. Okay. Alrighty. You think this is Mother Nature? Where do you think this is? This is off the coast of Australia. And guess what? Australia, well, Cyclone Blake. Yes. Well, according to mainstream media, you've got a cyclone off the coast, northwest Australia.
Western Australia could be seeing its first cyclone of the season today as a tropical low develops off the northwest coast. Gale force winds are likely to hit the coast this afternoon or early into Tuesday. It's predicted to move in a south to southwesterly direction from Port Hedland. Heavy rainfall and strengthening winds are expected and a flood watch has been issued. Residents in the Kimberley and Pilbara are warned to remain on alert and monitor safety warnings ahead of Cyclone Blake.
Fires to the east and a cyclone to the west. Really?
Western Australia could be seeing its first cyclone of the season today as a tropical low develops off the northwest coast.
Off the northwest coast. Off the northwest coast. Ah, Blake. Well, you don't look like a cyclone. But you've got a lot of nanotechnology operating. You've got air masses moving in every which way. Up north, down south, and you've got the generation of cloud operating. Nanotechnology, nano balloons, nano. 1/1000th of the size of a strand of your hair. And they have GPSs and sensors. And they can receive and send data. And they can be ordered to move anywhere. So as you see, these guys are not following the air mass right down here. But these lights, they tell you that these nanoballoons are activated, operating. None of this is real. All of this is a creation of man and woman. For those of you who are feminists and who will get so upset. Look at this. My God. Couldn't be any more clear. Couldn't be any more clear. And you've got these nano lines operating. I've got to refresh. Woof! It's right smack in our face. Look at this. And they are moving about in opposite directions of the air masses, or different directions. Your cyclone is a creation. Not of God, not of Mother Nature. This is weather being created for you. Just what you need. Perhaps flooding in the west, fires in the east. Wow, never seen it so clear. So if you don't know anything about nanotechnology and how they're using these nano balloons, and all they need is computer commands, and they will activate, and they will create weather. If I have videos on my channel, you can put in a search bar on my channel home, the channel page. In the search bar, you can just put in nanotechnology, nano balloons. Look at this. This is your cyclone with little nano soldiers lighting up. Look at this. And yes, they can create stratus cloud with nanotechnology. Or do a search of weather machine, the weather machine, and you will come across a presentation given by John Storrs Hall, Hall. He's the weather machine creator. Wow. Here's your cyclone. Really? Look at how these air masses are going in every which way. Well, hey, they can create tornadoes. They can move about these air masses with electromagnetic frequencies, and they can create tornadoes. They can move air masses in opposite directions, create whirlwinds, and they can create the speed. Velocity is affected by electromagnetic frequencies. Here's a cyclone. My God. Well, you know, in this video, which was sent to me by a subscriber whom I'd like to thank. Not sure if you guys have seen this. Giant red blob suddenly appears on radar. Then, boom, hurricane. Meant, well, it should be then, but...
Hey guys, Pedro V here. So a giant red blob suddenly appears on the heat maps off the coast of New Zealand. Scientists warn it could devastate fish and coral in the area. They say it's caused by sunny skies with a little wind, and check this out, keyword, beaming down onto an area of ocean. Kind of like a hint due possibly directed energy weapons. Now I looked on satellite live imagery, and around the same area where this massive red blob appeared, a tropical storm is brewing up, possibly a hurricane in the making. They won't be able to hide their technology much longer. Just wanted to point that out for you guys. Thought it was interesting.
Okay, so, no, they won't be able to hide their technology much longer because they're not hiding it. It's smack in your face. Yes, hang on for a second. Well, I'm going to cut this short. My neighbor's car broke down, so I need to give him a lift. Yeah. You're a cyclone. Unbelievable. Unfriggin' believable. All of these are nanoballoons. You know, and look at this blob that you got. This is so not a cyclone. Look, I'm going to show you what I captured. Is this the one earlier today? Yep, okay. You also have This cloud mass, this long, elongated cloud mass is there, and it's been there for days. And it just so happens to be a thick cloud mass that's sitting over all of the smoke. All of the smoke. You know, you look at this thing. That comes right out of this. And I believe that these are the nano that's operating. But all of this, they're trapping the smoke. You guys walking around with masks on, and you got the red, the orange skies. The smoke has very, where is it going to go when you have a thick cloud mass sitting over you? So this was, okay, this was earlier today at 11:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the United States. I was also watching a video when I captured it, so, but really? This is the cyclone? This is your cyclone being created. This is not how cyclones operate. It's all manufactured. All manufactured by man. All of this destruction. It's really hard to take. You think of the flooding in Indonesia. Massive flooding. 400,000 in shelters. Thousands, tens of thousands dislocated. All right. Sorry for this mess of a video, but I've got to post it, and then... Guys, stay as safe as you can.